In our last video, we created a test project for the business layer. And as you can see, within the solution, we now have two projects. The first project is a business layer, which consists of all the entity classes and their associated domain logic. And here is the test project. We've written two tests so far. They both check to see if either the first name or the last name is blank. If it is blank, we expected to see an exception thrown with the associated text, first name or last name may not be blank. When we ran the test, we noticed that both tests have failed. Now it's time to correct this by going into the code. Now the code that we want to edit is obviously in the business layer, so we're simply going to open up our applicant.cs code, and we're going to modify, in this case, the setter. So we'd like to modify it simply by checking if value, which is what's being passed in from the right-hand side of the assignment operator, if the value is blank, then what we'd like to do is we'd like to throw an exception. And the exception can be identified simply with the text. In this case, this is first name. First name may not be blank. Okay. And again, else. We'd certainly like to assign the value to our local, to our field. And that's all there is to it. At this point, if you actually run the test again, you'll see that the code has been corrected for first name, and we simply need to modify the code for last name, which will be an exercise left to you.